Hey guys, so I'm here at the Mitsubishi dealership because I need to buy a battery for the EVO. That's the main thing I need to buy initially to see if that's the main problem. It came with an interstate battery, so that's definitely not what it needs. They have special vented batteries, I've learned. This is what they sold me at the dealership. It's an Optima red top battery. I had read online that they actually came with Panasonic vented batteries, but they sold me this Optima. Look at the details. So hopefully this does the trick and sets the car in a better position. Hey everyone, here we are again in the garage. Gonna change the battery out today. I just got back from the dealership. Got this Optima battery. Supposedly it's a different part number than what they sell at auto parts stores. I couldn't find it anywhere specifically for this car. One of the auto parts stores even said that they don't carry them in stock at all, not even in the warehouse. He was a little bit surprised about that as well. So I got on some forums and I started looking to see if I could find any information on specific battery types that I can replace it with. Some of the forums did say that to use a red top battery, however, it needed to be ventilated. I couldn't get any help from any of the auto parts stores regarding ventilated red tops. So I saw some on Amazon that were about $100 cheaper than the dealership battery, but again, it was a different part number, so I figured I'd just buy it from the dealership. So here is the battery in the back of the car. And so here we are in the trunk of the EVO. This is the battery that the car came with. I'm pretty sure they probably swapped it out before turning it into the insurance company. Doesn't seem like this is a battery that was in the car when they used to have it. Maybe it also seems like there was some kind of subwoofer system with an amp back here. There's a couple cables. Anyway, it's pretty straightforward to change the battery. Most of you guys probably already know how to do this, but if you don't, there's just two 10mm nuts, one on each post. Basically just going to be using this ratchet, take them off one at a time, and then I'll be throwing the new battery on in the same process, just reverse. Alright guys, so the new battery is installed. Gonna test it out for the first time to see if it does the trick. Let's check it out. Worked out great. Seems to be functioning the way it's supposed to.